We all have flaws, but you must avoid at all costs the fatal flaw. In leaders, you see hubris and arrogance. And in life, it means not being able to, not knowing how to develop, maintain, and repair relationships. Hi, my name is Murray Johansson. I'm founder and president of the Legacy Academy. We design 21st century skill programs, things that you will need to prosper in the upcoming years. This one is on the idea of relationships. And if you want to have more information, you could go ahead and look at the descriptive material associated with this video. So, success is partly who you know, and that means that you're going to have to develop relationships. To develop relationships properly, the first thing we have to know is how to establish a positive first impression. It is done in less than a minute, but the thing that's really, really important is it may be the only time you have a chance to interact with someone, so it may be a lasting impression. Along with that, it's really, really important to be able to establish rapport. There's an old saying in America, "'tis better to be respected than liked." Not true. It's actually better to be liked than respected. The reason being, if you aren't liked, you aren't trusted. And trust is a basis for all different types of professional and business relationships. So besides developing rapport, you also learn about the idea of trust. Or it turns out, sometimes trust can be established very quickly, sometimes it can't. And it's also very important to understand that you could lose trust pretty quickly. Along with trust, no one likes to work for a clown. I've seen this over and over again. People want their managers, want their leaders to be competent. And that means that you all will have to maintain your credibility. So again, the idea that you know what you're doing and that you're not lying are very, very important elements of the idea of credibility. And finally, it must be said that for relationships to last, whether this is a personal one or whether this is a business one, means that you're going to have to learn how to repair it. And that means you're going to have to learn some techniques that will show you about empathic communication, because sometimes at work, and sometimes, many times, in fact, in personal relationships, we need to focus on the emotions. So, in terms of this particular program, you have three major learning options. The first one is a self-paced program. So again, you're able to go for 30 days and basically pick it up anytime you want on a lot of different types of devices. The second one is we call this self-paced with feedback, and that is that you can do the built-in exercises and assignments, and once you get them finished, you can get personalized feedback from one of our instructors. And finally, for those of you that like a more personalized approach, we also have coaching associated with the delivery of this program. And we start our program actually at the beginning with introductory session every week during the middle and at the end for a debrief. One thing I believe, you never get too good at certain things. In my view, you just never, ever get too good at creating a positive first impression, getting someone to like you, increasing trust, enhancing or upping your credibility, and inserting empathy into the conversation. So again, it's very important that we not get complacent, because all these are essentially skills that we can do better. If you like more information, please do connect. Find out how to enroll in the class. We have more information in the video description.